Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. Namaste and good morning to all. Today, we all have gathered on this auspicious occasion on the launch of Innovators Premier League by Bhavans IEDC in association with Kerala Startup Mission. Let us begin the session by evoking the blessings of Lord Almighty with a silent prayer. I now invite Mr. Rajat Rajagopal, the technical lead of Bhavans IEDC, for the welcome speech.
Innovation is a change that unlocks new value. Namaste and good morning to all. Innovators Premier League is one of the prestigious flagship events that has been organized by Kerala Startup Mission, which is a nodal agency for providing skills to the students in entrepreneurship and technological innovations. Innovators Premier League is hosted by Kerala Startup Mission in order to make interculture between the colleges, enhance the capability of students who are doing their undergraduation and post-graduation in various colleges around Kerala. It is my privilege to welcome you all to this event. First and foremost, I would like to extend my wholehearted welcome to our beloved Dean, Professor Dr. Rajagopalan Nair, who's always a constant source of support and motivation in all our endeavors. Sir, on behalf of all the members of Bhavans IEDC, I extend a warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you, Rajat. Thank you.
Next, I would like to invite our faculty members to this event, without whom the students are incomplete. I would like to welcome IEDC officers and other members of IEDC to this event. Last but not the least, I would take this opportunity to welcome the junior innovators who have joined us, accepting our invitation to witness the launch of Innovators Premier League.
Thank you, Rajat. Next, I welcome our respected Dean, Dr. Rajagopalan Nair, to felicitate the gathering and to launch the video of Innovators Premier League, Bhavans IEDC. Sir, please.
Thank you, Swati. Good morning and namaste to one and all. Dear respected faculty coordinators, Dr. Deepav Mrs. Ashwadi, respected faculty members, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen. Today, Bhavan's Royal Institute of Management is celebrating an historical day for many reasons. One important reason, Bhavan's IEDC took its birth just 7-8 months back. Various programs for the students, keeping in mind it is our responsibility to ensure that our students are not employees, they are the employers. Our students should become the best entrepreneurs. Our students should become best management consultants. In all respects, our students should be outstanding in the society. Especially the senior batch of students, you must be knowing, has been conducting many programs, including, you appreciate, including a bake fest, a cake fest conducted during last Christmas, where our students for the first time experienced what is the meaning of profit. And even though it is a very small step, after that I want to appreciate some students of second year who have submitted their project, their innovative ideas. And it is our duty, my dear friends, you are having another 6-8 months of time. It is our duty to bring that to another level. I am also very happy that the present batch, that is a new batch of 60 students, out of that, I am very proud to announce 3 of them are engineering graduates. And what is the advantage of an engineering graduate coming to the class? My dear friends, technological support you can expect from them. Because they are very good in technology, they studied 4 to 5 years technology in their engineering colleges. And technological support, if a commerce student wanted to have technological support, that can be gained from these engineering students. And they are fantastic. And therefore, I am happy there is a perfect blend in the class. Even in the first year, we are having an engineer. But naturally, why? Because you know very well, in the days to come, the society and the economy is going to be a technological driven economy. A single minute in your life, you are experiencing that now. A single minute in your life will not pass without the help of technology. You know it very well. But naturally, we wanted technological support. And our commerce or BBA students, they may not be so conversant with technology, but we are having BTech students in the class. And coming back to IPL, you know very well one IPL is going on all over India and all are after that, and unfortunately it is taking place outside India. But here is a more important IPL we are going to launch. Innovators Premium League. My dear friends, you wanted to be an innovator. And I congratulate Kerala Startup Mission to take up such a noble venture, IPL. And as you know very well, as said in the introductory remarks, there are 283 colleges IEDC having IEDC centers in Kerala, 283 colleges. And you should be proud, your institution is also a recognized IEDC of Kerala Startup Mission. And this IPL is being conducted, as you know, in 3 stages. At the institution level, that is the first stage, and for which there is no boundaries, my dear friends. At the institution level, we can organize as many programs as possible, and we are having programs list has been given to you. We can organize boot camps. What is a boot camp? Actually, my dear friends, this terminology boot camp has been taken from military. It is nothing but a disciplined training place. Boot camp is nothing but a disciplined training program. And unfortunately, the only thing lacking in our students is the discipline. You can organize workshops. You can conduct startup generation. You can even go for patents. Ideathon, hackathon, iTalks, and SALT, startup awareness and leadership training. Lot of programs you can organize in your institution. And I'm very happy that in Bhavans, we are having a good committee headed by Steffi Paiva, Rajat, many students are there. We're all good. And if they get the support from the juniors, what I feel, in another 3-4 months, we can able to organize many programs. And they very correctly coined this program as Prayatna. What is Prayatna? You try and acquire points. For organizing and conducting each and every program, you are getting points. You try. And then you are elevated to next stage. And that is at regional level. From regional level, you are entering into state level. And that is known by the name IEDC Summit. Just imagine, from Bhavans, if 4 or 5 students are selected for the final round, my dear friends, whom you are going to meet? You are going to meet the best innovators, best entrepreneurs, best personalities of Kerala Startup Mission at the state level. And that itself is a huge advantage for you, because that will be a good learning process for you. For achieving all these things, my dear friends, what we require? We require only a change in the mindset, a change in your attitude. I am here. I am here not just for getting a MBA degree. I am here for something else. My graduation days are over, but now it is without boundaries. I am following or pursuing my MBA program. There is no limit. Change to that mindset, and success will be yours. And as you know very well, winners from every institution will come at the regional level. From the regional level, you will be taken to state level. Just imagine if some of you you dream, some of you going to the state level for a competition of IPL as an innovator, what will be your profile or what will be your dignity in the society? I wanted that from the classroom. And that is the reason, by the grace of God, physical classrooms we are going to start. Slowly we are coming back, because we wanted to see that for achieving all these things, we wanted skill. And we want to see that your skills will be enhanced with the support of Bhavan's IEDC, as well as with the support of each and every faculty member working over here. And that is what we wanted, because we wanted smart working and smart thinking people, not hard working people. And with great pleasure, I would like to congratulate each and every person behind Bhavan's IEDC. Take it as my personal congratulations. Why? Because I am so much happy to announce that. With these few introductory remarks, with great pleasure and proud, I declare Bhavan's IEDC IPL open. And all my best wishes in the days to come. I want to see bigger results. I want to see some of my students standing on the podium at the state level. All my best wishes, all our support, all our prayers will be there. Once again, all my best wishes. Thank you. Thank you very much. My dear friends, take care. Thank you.
So may I present the launch video?
Sir, the team requests your direction to inaugurate the launch video.
Okay. With great pleasure, I permit you to launch the video of IPL. All my best wishes. Please launch. Congratulations. Good.
Thank you, sir, for gracing the occasion with your presence and declaring event open. Now, I call upon Ms. Steffi Paiva, the student lead of Bhavan's IEDC, for IPL plan presentation.
Good morning, everyone. So I'll be giving a brief description about the working of IPL. So Kerala Startup Mission launched a novel initiative as part of its flagship IDC program, seeking to provide a gamified learning platform to the student innovators and institutions to explore as well as experiment unconventional ideas, and it was christened as Innovators Premier League, or IPL 2021, which was launched by our Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan on September 18th. And the league will witness activities in 3 distinctive domains: innovation, technology, as well as entrepreneurship. Next slide. So the league, which will span over a period of 4 months, will feature challenges such as hackathons, ideathons, innovation fairs, startup boot camps, and iTalks, among others. And the best from all the events will be awarded on the final day of the league, that is the IDC Summit 2021. And there are 283 IDs in registered IDCs and 10,000 plus innovators competing, collaborating, and celebrating with each other. And IPL will enable Kerala Startup Mission to identify and nurture 1,000 talented student innovators from the 10,000 innovators from Kerala and support in building their business around their ideas. And participating student innovators and IDCs will earn reward points, which is called as the Prayatna points. And you can earn Prayatna points by hosting, participating, as well as winning competitions. And the best part is that every innovator who is registered in the innovator portal brings in Prerna points to the institutions as well as to him individually, by which he or she can participate in the regional level. So there are also many other ways in which we can earn Prerna points, which I will be explaining towards the end of the presentation. And this is the competition timeline. So the IPL launch of our institution is on 7th October, that is today. And we can start conducting institutional level events from tomorrow till 30th of December. And regional level competitions and IDC Summit will be happening in the month of January 2022. And we can conduct n number of events. So the more number of events means more Prerna points. But there are 5 mandatory events which every institution should conduct: Ideathon or Startup Pitch, Hackathon, 2 boot camps or 2 workshops, and an event of your choice, in which our institution has gone for conducting an Ideathon, Hackathon, boot camp in entrepreneurship domain, workshop in technical domain, as well as an iTalk. So this is how you can gain Prerna points. You can gain Prerna points by participating in events, winning competitions, innovator referral, innovator portal joining, employee in a startup, new startup launch, women founders, IDC members, product auction, patent filing, Kerala Startup Mission scheme, and projects avail. So there is specific point limit for each of these category. It's a really long list, which I will be sharing in the innovators group. So there we have the student awards, the most awaited one. And the best part about this is that we have 283 IDCs, and best performer from each of the 283 IDC will be recognized in the final IDC Summit. So I think it's like a really huge initiative from the part of Kerala Startup Mission. So immediately after IPL, every IDC will be given a title of silver, gold, and platinum. And based on the Prerna points we have earned, there are more categorizations to it, such as the age of the IDC cell will also be taken into consideration. So I've come to the end of my presentation. We'll be forming a team exclusively for IPL. So we want junior innovators also to be a part of it. And we have 5 different domains: operations, technical, creative, marketing, as well as finance. And those junior innovators who would love to be a part of the team can very well contact me or any of the council members. And I'm expecting your cooperation and participation throughout the 4 months. Thank you.
That is a good presentation, Steffi.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Steffi. Now I invite Mr. Nivin Alex, the operations lead of Bhavan's IEDC, to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Swati. A warm good morning to our respected team, IEDC nodal officers, faculty members, IEDC executive committee members, innovators in IEDC, and my dear friends. It's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Let me first start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our Dean, Dr. Rajavarama sir, for launching the Innovators Premier League in our institution. Let me take this opportunity to extend my gratitude to the nodal officers of IEDC and faculty members for their unending support and guidance. I also extend my sincere thanks to IEDC Executive Committee members and innovators for their constant support and encouragement. And finally, I thank all the participants for contributing their time and making today's event a resounding success. Thank you all once again and have a good day ahead.
Thank you.
Sir, one announcement. I request all of you to just switch on your video so that we can just record this moment. Host Rahul, can you do? Rahul is here.
Yes, ma'am.
I request all of you to just switch on the cam, please. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you, sir. Swati, over to you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you all for joining. Now, the host may end this session.
Thank you all. All my best wishes.
Thank you, sir.